So one of the first things that we worked on this month pertains to sending your thread posts as emails to your community members within a channel. There came a few of these requests, and mainly for those of you that run announcements channels or news-based channels, where you want to spread the word a bit more about your posts, even when your members aren't necessarily on the platform at the same time, or maybe they've turned their notifications off for some reason, right? How else could we get them engaged and pull them into the platform with some enticing posts and content? And we pushed this out a few weeks ago. And essentially, what you can do is when you're in your community, in one of your discussion channels, I'm in my API channel. Sure, yeah, that's the name of it. And I'll go ahead and just like paste in some example text for a post. I run a fake drumming community. If anybody wants to join my fake drumming community and fake learn how to play the drums, you're welcome to. And what I'll also do is I'll throw in a picture here just to show y'all what pictures look like in these posts. Let me just pull that in here. Okay, great. So now we have a post. And let's just say I want to increase the reach of this. I want to get people engaged via email to pull them into the community and read this post. So what I'm going to do is click the drop down on the post button, click send as email, and I get this little pop-up here. It will preview show me how many members that have access to the channel are going to receive this email, right? So we're still enforcing all those access controls that you've set in your community and respecting those. We're also respecting member notification settings. So if they have emails turned off, we won't email them unless you toggle on this, which we urge you not to do unless absolutely necessary. This is more for like those system or critical updates, but let's keep it off just because this is not a critical update. This is just an ordinary post. I can edit the subject line to make my email pop out more in their inbox.